You're lifting a heavy object, you naturally hold your breath, right? That's your body's instinctive way of stabilizing your core. However, in a workout, holding your breath is not the best strategy. It can lead to increased blood pressure and decreased oxygen supply to your muscles. Instead, what we need is controlled, purposeful breathing. Let's start with the basics. Inhale when you're in a relaxed state, or when you're stretching or extending your muscles. Exhale when you're contracting or exerting force. This technique, known as the Valsalva maneuver, helps keep your core tight and stable, allowing you to exert more force and get the most out of each rep. But it's not just about when to breathe, it's also about how. When you breathe, imagine filling your belly with air, not just your chest. This is known as diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing. It engages your diaphragm, a large muscle that lies beneath your lungs and plays a significant role in respiration. By engaging your diaphragm, you increase intra-abdominal pressure, which further stabilizes your core and protects your spine. Furthermore, proper breathing can even help activate those deep core muscles we talked about earlier. When you exhale forcefully, you're not just expelling air, you're also engaging your transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of your abdominal muscles. Incorporating correct breathing techniques into your core training can enhance the effectiveness of your workout. It can increase your power, improve your stamina, and help you maintain proper form, reducing the risk of injury